Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Viber using the My Notes feature. This is a super handy way to make sure you never forget important tasks or appointments. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Tap on More to access additional features within Viber. This section contains various tools and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main screen, including the Notes feature we'll be using. Once you're in the More section, scroll down through the available options until you find My Notes. This is Viber's built-in note-taking feature that doubles as a reminder system, making it perfect for keeping track of things you need to remember throughout the day. Go ahead and tap on My Notes to open it. Now you'll see a text input field where you can type your reminder. For this example, let's say you need to remember to take your medicine. Simply type medicine or whatever reminder message you need into the field. This could be anything from a simple task to a detailed note about something important you need to do later. After typing your reminder, tap the Send button to save it to your notes. The message will now appear in your My Notes chat, just like a regular message would in any other Viber conversation. This creates the foundation for your reminder. Next, press and hold on the message you just sent. After a moment, a menu will pop up with several options for interacting with that message. From this menu, tap Set Reminder. This is the key feature that transforms your simple note into an active reminder that will notify you at a specific time. Now you'll see a reminder configuration screen with several drop-down menus. First, tap the first drop-down menu to choose a date. Select the day when you want to be reminded about this task. This could be today, tomorrow, or any future date depending on when you need the reminder. Then tap the second drop-down menu to choose a specific time. Pick the exact hour and minute when you want Viber to send you a notification about this reminder. Choose a time that makes sense for your schedule and when you'll actually be able to act on the reminder. Now tap the third drop-down menu where you'll see Repeat options. Here you can choose between Does Not Repeat if this is a one-time reminder, Daily if you need to be reminded every day, Weekly for weekly reminders, or Monthly for monthly reminders. This flexibility makes it perfect for medication schedules, recurring meetings, or regular tasks. Once you've configured all your reminder settings, tap Save to activate it. Viber will now notify you at the exact date and time you specified, and if you chose a repeat option, it will continue reminding you according to that schedule. And that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder on Viber that will help you stay on top of your tasks and never miss important things. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.